What's good, beautiful people? In this video, we got some encounters with nature and animals, some scary and some funny. Shout out to everyone who take the time to drop a comment. Make sure to tap the like for the algorithm. And without too much long talking, let's get to the video. What the hell? Yo, hold on. One, two. Oh, what the? Yo, first of all, these animals are too abnormally strong. That car had like 20 people in it. That little Jeep was quite full. Like people was literally in the trunk. So that's like at least 6 to 8, 10 people in there. And that bull or whatever that is just lifting that up. Woof. That's a lot going on. What the hell?
Ew.
So much. Oh wow.
Did the duck got that?
Hey, not my cup of tea. Ain't no way I ride anything close to a bear. What? I could see a bear down the road. I drive another way. I leaving you alone, my boy. Ain't no way I getting that close to an animal that big. Look at this one. Oh my. Yeah, I bet you won't try that again. Uh-oh.
No, 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 no. Oh my God.
What the hell?
He sees it. He sees it. Look at him.
What
Oh
the?
my God.
What the? That man need to go straight to church. He need to pray and find his purpose. Because he clearly have some type of purpose. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Buff? Oh, this is
One
whoa.
and two, three. Jesus Christ Almighty! Snakes! Jesus Christ!
Bro, how'd I get there, bro? Seriously, how'd I get there? What in the world? Like, did he fall asleep and just wake up and was like, oh, big snake wrap around my leg type stuff? Like, what?
I think we got a garfish, dude.
That's an alligator.
Careful, Evan. Oh my God!
Oh, good lord.
That's a big gator, buddy.
Exactly.
That is a big gator.
Yo! Honestly, these alligators are some wicked creatures. Because they just be like right there at the shore and you don't even know they there. But you put your feet or your hand in that little bugger. Come on, snatch, out of here. Oh my goodness. Oh, yeah, pad at your own rest. What the hell? Pops broke. Oh, that quick too. Huh. Oh, he trying to get in. Nah, that's crazy. That's crazy.
Oh, Jesus Christ. Gotta be careful here.
What happened? Oh, see, I didn't even see that. Oh no, he dropped. Bro, get the hell up.
Well, that puts an end to my tarpon fishing. Get back.
Yeah? You think that's how it work? That gator say, bro, You trespassing right now. Carry your hip. Don't come on my land no more. On my waters no more. Oh no. Oh no. Oh my goodness.
Now, when you're playing with lions, it's important to never show fear.
Okay, I'm sorry. That was hilarious. Oh my goodness. I'm quite sure he pants brown. He should learn to practice what he preach. Never show fear. What the hell was that, bro? You turned straight feminine. Oh my. Wow, wow, wow. He shouldn't be the type of people to make such statements. That's quite evident. What the hell? That's a gator? What the hell? Oh no. Oh no. No way. Bro, the gator literally just walk in the water and start nipping people. Haha. We would have had gator stew that night. Uh-uh. That that bugger that bite me, we was eating that night. Hell no. That's one animal that ain't leaving the property. I'm sorry. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Wow.
Come on, keep kicking him. Oh, something was
Ooh.
recording that. Ah.
Honestly, that must have been painful for her. Because not only did she land in the water, she had to take the brunt of him falling on her in the water. Dirty water. Hella dirty water.
Got like a big stick or something.
Big sticky. Another gator.
Big stick. It's heavy, whatever it is.
Yeah, keep playing. Oh
That
my.
is not a stick. Oh my god.
Oh
That's not
my.
a stick at all.
Uh-oh.
Holy sh! Holy sh!
Yeah?
Oh my lord, holy moly.
Better cut that line.
Wow, that changes things.
Hey. Hey. Hey.
Oh my goodness.
Hey. Hey. Hey.
Man, this is probably why I can't be adventurous. What? Just me and a bear out in the woods? Oh no, I don't like them odds. Oh, that was quick. Is that even possible? How? How would they be able to pull that off? Okay, Sam.
I'm not gonna bug you. I'm going away.
What is that?
I promise I'm not gonna bug you. I'm not
Uh
gonna bug
oh.
you. I'm
Uh
going
oh.
away. I'm
Uh
going
oh.
away. I'm going away.
The bobcat?
I'm going away. I'm not gonna bug you. I promise. I'm going away. I'm going away. I'm going away.
Yeah,
I'm not gonna
smart.
bug you. I'm
Smart.
going away.
That probably would have been me as I'm sorry. I would have been begging. I talking to animal like you. I'm sorry. I'm just going. I'm out here. I won't bother you again. This is your land. I would never come back. I'm trespassing. I'm a fool for even coming around. I would have been what? Man, them animals rip your whole face off. No, sir. Not me. Smart move, my boy. I'm going away. I'm going away. Ooh, that was quick.
He could break right through that glass. Leave it alone.
I have a gun.
Okay, gun.
I'm
See,
walking backwards on the trail back to the camp.
this is a scary sight.
Walking down the trail, and mom and two cubs. So I am continually to walk backwards. And mom and the cubs keep following me and are walking at least as fast as I am.
You walking slow, buddy. They getting close. Hell no. Hell the frick no. We was off to run, son. Uphill, downhill somewhere. Cause they too close. And one thing I know about animals when they with their children, they super protective. You will die. Big animals like that and thing, I ain't trying to be around them if they have children. They would slice your neck off your body, fam. No sir. Then make you watch them eat you. Oh, that gone. Ah, that was quick. Wow. Oh, he spit it out. That's cool. What the hell? Whoa. Honestly, this may be the first time I do this. I have to go back. What the hell? Fam, there's so much going on. How'd I get there? How is he not freaking out? There's no way that come. How he live? What's really going on? How'd I get there? I don't know. That threw me for a spin. Yeah. Yeah. Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
You. Oh.
Okay. Okay.
No.
Oh God.
Get the away. Go away. Go away.
Oh my goodness.
No. You, dude.
Yo.
Holy.
Yo.
Yeah, get the away from me. Face.
Thanks for watching. Make sure to tap the like for the algorithm, hit the subscribe button and notification bell for more. And if you would like to support the channel, there's a link in the description. And I'll see you in the next one.